Hello adventurers and welcome back. Today I am in Eureka Springs and we are visiting the Passion Play. When visiting Arkansas, there are numerous places that you can visit, but Eureka Springs has a very special attraction, the Passion Play. The Passion Play, since the 60s, has welcomed over 7.7 million people to see their outdoor production. Now, the performance itself is religious-based and actually tells the story of Jesus. There are about 170 different characters who are introduced. They have wild animals and all sorts of other things that are really interesting. Before the production, they have several different activities that you can go and visit, including a potter's house, a petting zoo, and a holy city, all of which in their own right are super cool. Tickets are pretty reasonably priced and it's fun to get out and do something different with the family. But today I'm going to show you a very special feature out here at the Passion Play, the Christ of the Ozarks. A brief walk up this pathway and we will arrive at one of the most impressive features that you will find in all of the Ozarks. As we visit Christ of the Ozarks, a brief timeline in photos unveils the story of how this magnificent structure came to be. Now, the Christ of the Ozarks is 67 feet tall and has a 65-foot arm span. So it is almost as wide as it is tall. This is a free attraction, so whenever you come here, they do have a donation box, but you don't have to feel obligated at the same time. A couple of additional facts. The base itself for which the Christ of the Ozarks sits is approximately 340 tons. The overall statue and base together weighs in at over 2 million pounds by their estimation. That's one big Jesus. On top of that, his face itself is 15 feet high. So his face would be the equivalent of me standing on top of me and almost standing on top of me again. As you can see, the Christ of the Ozarks is very impressive, and on the grounds here are several other unique things, such as a piece of the Berlin Wall, a storm shelter that has come to us from another country, a beautiful church, and all of those really cool features with the Passion Play itself. So I definitely encourage you guys to come out to Eureka Springs, Arkansas, and check out this beautiful area. Again, this portion is absolutely free, and if you choose to do the other portions, the cost is very reasonable. It's a great way to spend a day, an afternoon, an evening while here in Eureka. Until next time, guys, bye!